friend, welcome back to Sumonya tutorials, and in this video we're going to learn how to do invisible locks with knots and curls. In our last video we learned how to do invisible locks on artificial dreadlocks, but today it's on natural hair. Our obvious first step is parting the hair neatly. So for this case it's a bit different compared to the normal parts because we're gonna do a portion of the hair and then we divide the portion into two again because it's invisible locks and it consists of like joining two strands, so we have to like divide the portion into two parts. I first started with doing the whole head partition to make it easy and smooth for me while braiding down with extensions, but you can also do it your way. You don't have to do it my way because what matters is the final results. So these are our extensions. We are gonna use fluffy kinky and some curls. This braid number 230, and that's my friend over there helping me to prepare the braids.